A computer program in general maintains a set of values in memory. These values may have different types, like integers, fractional numbers, strings, complex numbers, or aggregational objects like arrays of data, and so on. To manage all these values, when program creates such objects, each object is given a name. Because variables always stay at the same memory location, internally the variable name remembers the address of its object in computer memory. It allows to access the variables from the program code. Hi, Antonia. I wonder what I should know about Python variables. What is important to know?
A literal value is assigned to a variable using the assignment operator. The left side is the name of a variable, and the right side is its initial value.
Okay, I understand. I can type this directly in Python shell, for example, value equals 123, and then if I type value, which is the name of the variable, it will automatically display 123 on my screen.
Yes, this is correct. Variables in Python are objects. You can use the type function to get the class name of an object. If you use type function again, it displays new class name of the value variable.
Now it says int. Did the type of variable change?
No, the type did not change. What happened was the old variable of type string was destroyed, and the new variable with the same name got recreated. And this time it has the integer classification type. It's a little technical, but hopefully, still intuitive to understand.
Whoa, that's a lot of information, but I understand.
Python is a dynamically typed language, which means you don't need to declare a type of a variable. Instead, the type is assigned dynamically based on the type of the assigned value. In other words, the type of the variable is derived from the assigned value.